Hey there, I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on an incredible new read, The Home Doctor. I devoured every page, and let me tell you, it's an absolute treasure trove of practical information. If you're looking to nurture your home and tackle everyday issues, this book is your go-to guide. Hi, I'm Sharon, and I can't wait to delve into why The Home Doctor deserves your attention. This book is a goldmine for anyone eager to take charge of their home's well-being. It's packed with insights on fixing common problems, along with user-friendly charts and checklists. For a comprehensive guide to home care, look no further. This book is your answer. Enter the world of The Home Doctor, practical medicine for every household. A 304-page masterpiece crafted by three brilliant minds from Venezuela and Texas. This guide equips you with everything you need to navigate health situations confidently within the comfort of your home. The versatility of The Home Doctor extends beyond its pages, offering both digital and physical editions. Dive into a wealth of DIY medical procedures, techniques, and step-by-step guides to handle health challenges and emergencies independently. It's the ultimate companion for everyday health management when professional help isn't readily available. Let me unveil some gems hidden within the pages of The Home Doctor: essential medical supplies every household needs. Common mistakes to avoid during a blackout. Recognizing a heart attack and taking swift action. Dealing with expired medications. Discovering nature's own painkiller. Stockpiling prescription medicines and insulin. At-home remedies for flu and respiratory issues. Quick stretches to relieve back and neck pains. Crafting a natural DIY antibiotic salve. Performing a comprehensive breast exam at home. Innovative remedies using everyday items. Handling ingrown nails. Using salt and oil for tooth and gum health. A sleep-inducing recipe before bed. Wisdom from our grandparents: 40 home remedies. Crafted by doctors, this unique guide is your key to safeguarding your health, especially when conventional medical avenues might falter. The ingenious methods within these pages are self-applicable, proving invaluable during uncertain times, such as prolonged blackouts. In times of crisis, diseases often claim the most lives. The Home Doctor is your lifeline, offering ways to self-treat and protect yourself and your loved ones when the medical system falters. It's a crucial step towards survival during dark times. As a bargain hunter, I've secured a fantastic discount for you. Check out the details below and grab your special discount link today. Thanks for tuning in. Here's to your health and well-being.